Finding someone on Telegram by ID or username. So here's a guide to help you locate a user using their Telegram ID or username. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Telegram account. If you have the person's Telegram username, you can search for them easily. Now all you have to do is swipe up and you can see the search icon available or search bar available at the top. Simply tap on it. And now all you have to do is type the username, like example @username or simply the name you remember, and wait for the results and then select the correct user. Tap on their profile to start a chat. The person must have a public username for you to find them this way, or the number must be saved on your phone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.